There's something truly special about sharing a moment with your dog, especially when it comes to yawning. It's like we're in sync, almost like we're communicating without words. I'll be sitting there, feeling a little sleepy, and suddenly my dog looks up at me with those big, soulful eyes. Then, out of nowhere, we both let out a big yawn at the same time. It's hilarious. I've read that yawning is contagious, and it seems to be true for dogs and humans alike. It's a bonding experience that makes me feel connected to my furry friend. Plus, it's a reminder to take a break and enjoy the simple things in life. So, the next time you find yourself yawning, take a look at your dog. You might just find them joining in, and it'll make you smile. It's these little moments that make having a dog so rewarding.